I'm having trouble with this module. Um, the plugin doesn't sync um, at all. No matter what I do, I can't set this auto, DC, sync internal, notice no light. No matter what you do here, there's no sync. And there's no settings here that would help me with sync. The other problem that's pretty obvious is that if you do B intensify A, so what should happen here is that when I change the delay time, the intensified position should move, which it does. However, when I go to delta time, what this should do is this should produce a second intensified space, and then when I rotate this knob, it should follow that. And it's not doing that correctly. The second intensified spot doesn't actually move. And it's also indicated by the display. The display, the readout is showing that it's not moving. So there's two problems here. The primary problem is the sync issue, which isn't syncing at all. Now, so I have a working, the same module. Now this is a 7B85. So I have another 7B85, which I can put in. So this is the second B85. It doesn't have the stickers and the stuff that the other one does. So this is the one that I just got, and this is the one I've already had. Okay, so now without changing anything, all I'm doing is turning it on, and immediately it triggers. So it's immediately triggered. All the same settings. On everything, and on this one we have lock, we have sync. Also what happens too is that the B intensify A works correctly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make this so we can see it better, so I'm going to turn it down here so we can see it better. And then what I'm going to do is we're going to do B intensify A, and we're going to change this size to be about the right kind of size so we can see it properly. And then when I move this, you can see the B intensify A. That's with the single one. So that's just adjusting this first knob, delay time. And that does do delay time the way it's supposed to. If I then turn on the delta, what happens is I get a second line, and the second line can be moved independent of the first line. And that doesn't happen in the other plugin. So there are two problems: the lack of sync, which makes it completely unusable, and the second problem, which has to do with the main reason why you get this module, which is the delta time measurement option, the ability to move the second one around and measure the timings between those.